X-Files. 38,000 people gathered to watch the best in the freestyle world on a tight track where the judges favor big tricks and perfect execution. But one man has brought freestyle to a whole new dimension. Frenchman Tom Pages does freestyle tricks that no other rider will even attempt. Showed his dominance once again, making seemingly impossible tricks like the Bolt body varial seem effortless. Australian Rob Adelberg would have to concede this round to the Frenchman. But the Spaniard simply wanted it more. Danny Torres pulling the Paris Hilton flip and a gigantic transfer off the quarter pipe. The rhythm in his run even carried on well afterwards. The final would be set between two friends, Tom Pages and Danny Torres. Torres knows his rival and knew he would have to pull out the biggest tricks in the book, like the double grab flip and the executioner flip. But tonight belonged to Tom Pages. He would seemingly throw his body every direction, above, beside, and around. Pages accented every trick with such supreme confidence that even Danny Torres had to concede. The seemingly unstoppable Tom Pages takes the win in Mexico City and the lead